we can't trust Massa to eat, man. You know, and I mean, and they got what vegetables with salmonella and all that stuff. I'm just like, man, forget that. So. This is dandelion. You know, we got a couple of types of kale. This is a different type of bok choy. But we've been blessed, man. This is that Bahamian thyme over here that we were telling you about. We got this from a lady from Guyana. You know, and these are some eggplants that I did not take off. You know, and you see they're kind of reverting back, but the reality is these two eggplants, I took about 60 pounds of spinach, a vine spinach off the top of this, and when I cut it loose, I found 3 or 4 eggplants growing under it.
Oh wow!
Yeah, I mean, so this thing like literally grows like crazy, man. You know, but we got all types of stuff. This is Ginkgo biloba.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? That's a lemon tree. You know, we got a dwarf organic cherry. You know, organic jackfruit. All this stuff is food. And out there, I'm sorry. Is that enough? You need some more? Okay. And out there on pallets, we got fruit trees. We got a little burro banana. You know, we got pomegranates and all that stuff. We got turmeric and stuff growing. So, bottom line, we got to be able to eat, man, no matter what. And the point is going to come where what? We ain't gonna be able to go into Valley World or none of them places unless we done got a vaccination or are complied with something. And a lot of people like, man, it's an emergency. You know what I'm saying? We need to get our stuff together, but we knew something was coming anyway. We didn't know what it was going to be. So real talk, it's not like an emergency. We just need to catch up to where the hell we supposed to been the whole time.
Yeah.
You check the whole time. So bottom line is, this is just a fall version. We're able to pull what we need from here mostly. And I joke with my baby and tell her, you know, if shit hit the fan, we might have some bunny nuggets. but we ain't eating meat. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, this here is broccolini.
Oh, okay.
Broccolini. I've never seen broccoli grow, but broccoli's his first cousin. This is where, you know, we cut some off, and you see
how it's coming right back.
Yeah, how it's coming right back. Plants have a thing, I just know because I worked in landscaping forever. It's called apical dominance, and it just means the power of the plant is going to grow to the point. So that's why when you prune, you want to prune just beneath a growth point, because this is what will happen. It'll immediately, that apical dominance will take over. And you see, it started right with a bud.
Yeah.
So this is interesting because it's producing a broccolini at pretty much every joint, you know. But this is all new to us. So you hear the
plants
water,
are amazing, man.
You hear the water just cut on.
Yeah.
So
what's that down there? What are those?
These are eggplants that we just didn't pick. So they're actually, you can see the little bit of purple strands, but they just should have got pulled. It's out of season, so they're just dying down. But it's got a 30-gallon reservoir. You know what I'm saying? And you know, these guys, he's about half full. You know, and we need to fill him up. You know, but we just refill him. We have the nutrients and everything there, and it ain't no joke. And just while your camera's rolling, since you're on subject, come this way. Now those are the grow beds that we got, so we could grow grow like turmeric, onions, and things that need to grow down into something. So we're gonna fill those out and grow those as well. But these are broccolini we picked. You see, and they actually will flower.
Oh, okay. Just put them in the water and they're good to go.
Yeah, they actually flower. But in here, we got the same company. But we have these inside. It's a smaller base. It's a 22-gallon base, you know. And you can add these lights as an option. It just bolts right into the top. And so this is the microgreen section with the little smaller things. And then we got the regular greens here. So, you know, even in the winter time, we could have this like fully pimped out and pull what we need live. You know what I'm saying? Live salad, live juice. We put it right in the little champion and make it happen. You know what I'm saying? Because we got to eat to live, and not just eat to live, but eat to be healthy.
Yeah.
You know. So that's what we're dealing with, man, and that's the tour. You know what I'm saying? That's the tour. But it's all about just eating that live food, and a lot of people don't know. Like take wheatgrass juice. Wheatgrass juice is like one ferric compound, just a little bit of iron away from being human blood.
Yeah, like chlorophyll.
Yeah, yeah, literally. So you can be in the hospital, need a transfusion, and drink live green juice, and your body will produce that blood.
Yeah.
You know, because you're drinking something that's damn near blood.
Damn near blood. Green, plant blood.
Yeah, but these are like snap peas right here. You know what I'm saying? That we got. And the storm that we just had actually pulled out some of them. But what I usually do, the towers they grow so profusely that I just run them over to, I set up this little trellis and they do their thing, man. But the spinach, man, this is a sprig off the spinach. See how fat it is? And it's just got a little bit growing. It's slow season. It's dormant now, and it's just putting on seeds. Okay, but literally, I had 2 of them up here, and it took over the whole top.
Wow.
It took over the whole top. If I showed you the pictures, you'd be like,
man, it's like just with this setup right here, man. You like literally. You could never run out of food. I mean, you could just eat this and be, and sustain.
If I had to.
Yeah, if you had to,
and
yeah.
The only thing that I want to do to upgrade the game is pop a couple solar panels up and see. You can get 1 solar panel, okay, that'll run maybe 325 watts, and that's probably I haven't done the numbers yet, but that's probably enough to cut these things on. 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off.
Gotcha.
15 minutes on, 15 minutes. So that's the next upgrade for these. But these are 8-foot commercial towers. I think brand new, they're like maybe 1,200. But a guy had a farm of these. He had maybe 30 of them. And I seen them on Facebook Marketplace. And he was like selling them for 400 each. So I was like, will you do me 2 for $7? He was like, no, but I'll do you 2 for $7.50. I said, get them ready.
Yeah, I'm
coming. I drove to Athens, Georgia, picked them suckers up. And like I said, this is slow-mo. But in the high season, I'll show you pics. We had tomato plants that we bought. This big organic tomato plants. They grew off this far. Those 2 chairs right there, they used to sit here. My queen would sit here, and I'd sit there and have tea. Huh? Yeah, those are peppers. Definitely peppers. And there's a lot of other stuff.
What's this?
That's another of these organic thyme.
Oh, thyme.
Yeah, old times. But you see now it's looking rough. It's not, it's not handling the weather well. But bottom line is, we had tomatoes, bro, that grew all the way over here. Literally this far off. We had to push our chairs over there, and we couldn't sit up. We had to sit over there. But that's the kind of problem you want to have.
Yeah.
That's a good problem to have. And so that's my story. I'm sticking to it.
Yeah.
And we just trying to learn as we go, bro. But one thing we gotta eat.
Yeah, gotta eat,
on our
man.
own terms.
You know what I'm saying?
On our own terms. For real. But let me run down here and make sure everything's... Yeah, these are the nutrients. And the nutrients we just take and divvy it out, you know what I'm saying? And it gives us the environment that we need so we can grow our food live and direct on the spot, and these are some other different plants that we grow as well. Over here is turmeric, man. We got turmeric. We grow turmeric as well. And here's what we found out. Right here we got some of the same plants that are on the tower.
You just transplanted them?
No, these are some that we actually
separate? Started. Okay, I got you.
And the what's in the tower grows 4 times as fast.
I got you.
It grows 4 times as fast. So, we got just little seedlings and things that we're gonna keep with us, but we have to have food security. These are turmerics right here. Yeah, this is turmeric right here, and there ain't, it's probably a little small, but turmeric.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, turmeric. You see the bulb on it, the little orangish deal there. So, and I'm gonna take him out. He ain't gonna do much else. He ain't gonna do much else. So they don't get that big, but they're so powerful. They're so powerful that little tuber of turmeric, we put them right in the juicer, bro. We put them right in the juicer, and it's, we know where it comes from.
Yep.
We know where it comes from. But these we could have started probably earlier in the year and got bigger, but this is probably what we seeded it with, and all that is new that grew off of it. So I love that. And then if you take and break it, smell mostly soil, but it's good stuff. And we know we could just, if push come to it, we could just eat this straight up.
Yeah, straight up. Yeah.
This is just food. And then look, I'm watching a program, and they have like natural varieties of this, wild varieties of this, that we can learn how to harvest, and that's something else that I want to get into and learn more about. Because I'm a newbie with this. But these here, we can take and wash and add to juice. The queen might be actually making some juice now.
What
I don't know.
So just the top piece you just replanted, or?
Yeah. We can
just the top portion. You just replanted.
No, it's dying out right now. But
it's at the end.
Yeah, I mean it's you see it's kind of fading out, but we can plant these and they'll come back next year.
Plant just the top portion.
Yeah, that's
okay.
So I'm breaking off these little tubers, but this base one here, I can plant it. It'll come back. It'll come back next year.
Yeah, kind of like carrot tops, right?
Yep. Yeah. Yep. Same scenario. But that's some fresh turmeric, and we can use that. And why am I gonna go take some shit that the prophet done invented?
You don't even know where it came from.
To help my pressure.
You doing that and you grow a fourth arm.
Yeah, to know where it came from. So, bottom line, that's all fresh turmeric we grow, and that'll get juiced a couple of times. But same way I can just
put it right back. I got it. Yeah,
throw this back in there. All I want to do is keep the roots from heat. They just need a little damp, so
right back where you came from.
Real talk. And if it freezes or whatever, I might need to come and pop him inside or cover him over. But next time I want to juice something, I can come and get him. But this is why I want to be on my own land, so I can just lay all this stuff out. And we can do what we need to do. I don't care if I got to go back to a rabbit.
I know.
Be eating like a rabbit.
Yeah, I prefer that, to be honest, man.
Yeah, no, that's the long-term goal.
Yeah.
That's the long-term goal.
I prefer that, because there ain't nothing in the world like just sitting there either drinking juice or just eating a fresh salad. You know what I'm saying? You don't get no itis. You know what I'm saying? You get energy.
And you feel it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
feel it.
Yeah.
I'm to a point I feel it go up my, cross the blood-brain barrier.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give this to the queen. Bye.